ආයුබෝවන් කියලා පිළිගන්නවා මගේ YouTube channel එකට පැමිණි ඔයාව. එහෙනම් අද අපි බලමු geography වල පළවෙනි පාඩම. The Asia region. IL education. Relative location. The continent of Asia is located in the eastern part of the northern hemisphere of the earth. The Asian continent is bounded by the Arctic Ocean on the north, the Pacific Ocean on the east, the Indian Ocean on the south, and the continent of Europe on the west. Absolute location. The Asian continent is located between 10 degrees latitude south to 80 degrees latitude north and between 25 degrees and 180 degrees longitudes each. Uniqueness of Asian region. The largest continent in the world. Presence of all the climatic types of the world. Presence of different human races, ethnic groups and language and cultural diversity. Birthplace of many major religions. The most popular continent. You know, the Asian continent covers an area of 44.6 million square kilometers. It is about 30% of the an area of the earth and 8.7% of entire surface of the earth. What is largest mountain range? Himalaya. Himalaya is the largest mountain range. This mountain range spreads 2,500 kilometers. Highest peaks in Himalaya mountain range. These are the peaks the Himalaya mountain range, Everest, etc. and height in meters. Other large mountain range, Kunlun, Karakoram, Tangshan, and these are the large mountain ranges. Drainage. These rivers flow into the different oceans and seas. Ob, Yangtze and Lena to the Arctic Ocean, Amur, Hoyanno to the Pacific Ocean, Ganges, Indus, Brahmaputra, Mekong, Irrawaddy and Salween into the Indian Ocean, Euphrates and Tigris flow into the Persian Bay. Climate. Climate is divided by three parts. They are tropical zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Tropical zone. Tropical evergreen forest can be seen in the areas where high temperature and heavy rainfall is experienced throughout the whole year. Trees, mahogany, ebony. Animals, monkeys, reptiles and snakes. Temperate zone. Temperate zone. Deciduous forests are grown in the temperate zone as a result of the extensions of cold and warm season during the year. Oak, chestnut, pine are specific trees grown in these forests. Kind of animal living here are wolf and bear. Frigid zone. The specific characteristics of this climate zone with taiga and tundra climate is the prevalence of a longer cold season. Trees, pine, oak, etc. Animals, polar bear, snow fox, etc. Types of human races. Mongoloid. Mongoloid peoples can see in these areas: China, Japan, Malaysia, Korea, and Singapore. These are the pictures of a Mongoloid people. Caucasoid people. The Caucasoid peoples are in these areas: India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Arabian countries. This is a Caucasoid peoples. Economic activities: agriculture Pakistan, industries Japan, and service sectors Dubai. Pakistan. Agriculture is the main economic activity in Pakistan. 25.9% of the gross domestic product in Pakistan is contributed from the agricultural sector. 43% agricultural activities. This is a type of products and placed in a world market. Cotton 4, sugarcane 5, mango 4, onion 7. Japan. Japan is a major industrial country in the Asia as well as in the world. Some vehicle company: Toyota, Mitsubishi, Honda, Nissan, Mazda. Dubai. Dubai, known as a global city, is important as a business hub of the Middle East.